the chapter squares and square roots for standard 8. This is part 6. So, we have learned to find the square roots of the numbers. Now, we will do a slightly different problem, that is, find the least number which must be subtracted from 2361 to make it a perfect square. So, this number is not a perfect square. So, if you subtract some number from this, that number will become a perfect square. So, we have to find that number. So, first we will start with the long division, which we have already studied. So, 2361 we will do the long division. So, it is 4 into 4, 16. So, this is 7. So, we will bring down the 61 down. Double of 4 is 8. Now, we will try out some numbers which is less than 761. So, 8, 9 we will try. It is greater than 761. So, we can try 8. So, 8 will go. So, this will become 704. So, now subtract, you get 57. Now, if you subtract this 57 from this number, so 2361 minus 57, you will get 2304. Now, if you do the long division of this 2304, you will get 48 as the square root of 2304. So, let us try that also. For writing the answer, you have to do this and say 57 has to be subtracted from 2361. So, then you get root of 2304 is equal to, you will get, it is 48, root of 2304 is 48. So, we will just try it out for checking. So, 4, 4, 16, 7, 04. Now, double of 4, 8. So, 8, 8. So, if you see, you get the remainder as 0. So, this is if you get the remainder as 0, then it is a perfect square. So, if you subtract this remainder from this number, you get a perfect square. So, that will be the square, that number will be the square of this number 48. So, square root of 2304 is equal to 48, or 48 squared is 2304. Now, we will do find the least number which must be added. It is slightly different from this. So, here the number is 4931 is given. You have to add some number. So, that number will become a perfect square. So, the method is slightly different. First, we start with the same method of long division. So, 7 into 7, 49. So, 0. So, double of 7 is 14. So, 31 down. So, if you put 1, 1, that will become 141 greater than 31. So, we can't do that. So, we will put 0. So, you get 0. So, 31 is the now remainder. Now, if you had subtracted 31 from this 4900, you will get, that is a perfect square. Square root will be 70. Now, we have to find a bigger number than this, which is a perfect square. For that, now the next square number will be 71 square. 70 squared is 4900. So, 71 squared will be the next perfect square. So, we will find 71 squared. So, if you do find 71 squared, it is 5041. So, we have to subtract the difference between this. Find the difference between 71 squared minus 4931. So, that is equal to 5041 minus 4931. Sorry, 110 it is. So, we have to add 110 if you add to this number, you will get 5041. 110 has to be added to 4931 to make it a perfect square. So now root of 5041 will be root of 5041 will be 71. Same question, if they ask you find what number should be subtracted. So you should subtract 31 from 4931. So you get, so you subtract 31 from 4931, you get a perfect square. So that is 4931 minus 31 is equal to 4900. So root of 4900 will be 70. Now this is, we will do what must be added and subtracted from 7912, so that you get a perfect square. So both the things in the same number we will try to do and find the perfect squares and its roots. So first we have to start with the long division method. So 8 into 8 is 64. So you get 15, 1, 2, the double of 8 is 16. So we will try out with 8. So you get 1, 3, 4, 4. So you get 168 as the remainder. Now you subtract 168 from 7912. So this is, now subtract 7912 minus 168 7744 you get. So root of 7744 will be 88. So the number to be subtracted is 168. The remainder. Now to find what must be added. So you should get a number greater than 7912. So you will find 89 squared. So 89 squared, if you will get 7921. So that is the perfect square that you need. So you have to find the difference between 7921 and 7912. So 7921 minus 7912. So you get 9 as the difference. So you must add 9 to 7912. So you get square root of 7921 is equal to 89.